hello, children. This is Peter. Peter. Say hello to Peter. Hello, Peter. Let's sing this song. Hello, hello, hello. What's your name? Hello, hello, hello. My name is Peter. My name is Peter. Hello, Peter. Hello, Peter. Hello, hello, Peter. Hello, hello. Yes, who's going to sing the hello song? Let's sing the hello song. Yes.
Hello,
Hello.
hello, what's your name? Hello, hello, my name is Tianzu. My name is Tianzu.
Everybody, tout le monde. Hello, Tianzu. Hello, Tianzu. Hello. Bye-bye, children. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Peter. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Peter. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Who lives in the house?
It's me, Katy the cow. And who are you?
It's me, Bobby the dog. Can I live with you?
Yes, come in.
Who lives in the house?
It's me, Katy the cow.
It's me, Bobby the dog.
And who are you?
It's me, other elephant. Can I live with you?
Yes, come in.
Who lives in the house?
It's me, Katy the cow.
It's me, Bobby the dog.
It's me, our elephant. And who are you?
It's me, a little big bear. Can I live with you?
No, I want to free.
Don't worry, I will build you a new house, big and beautiful.
Happy and alone, clap your hands. If you're happy and alone, clap your hands. If you're happy and alone, and the little you have to show. If you're happy and alone, clap your hands.
One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In Spanish.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
In French. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In Japanese.
Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. What is your name? My name is Oliver. How old are you? I am 10. What school do you study? I study at school B.I.R.D. What class are you in? I am in CM2B. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is a blue. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a cat. What do you like to eat? I like to eat pizza. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Bye. Bye.